Hi everyone! Today's video is about my process of designing some radio brackets for a Android car stereo system that we recently purchased. So recently my wife asked me to replace her existing car stereo unit, and it's one of these old clunky units that only speaks Japanese and you can never figure out what it's saying. And yeah, Japan! So I managed to wire everything up. However, the existing brackets that came with the car didn't accommodate for the new stereo unit. And so when you went to install the new unit, you wouldn't be able to put the unit in place and still put on the fascia kit. And so the front face would stick out a little bit, and you wouldn't be able to put it back nicely together. And so my plan was to redesign some new brackets to replace the existing ones, and yeah, just 3D print them. So here's a quick time lapse of my design process. So when I was thinking through the design, I decided to add some slots to the fixture points and just slightly make the holes a bit bigger, just to give it more adjustability when you go to install it. I think quite often when I 3D print stuff, the dimensions aren't fully accurate, or there's quite a bit of shrinkage, or it just affects the finish of the holes and the size of the part sometimes. So having those slots and slightly bigger holes would help as well. So I ended up printing it with about 15% infill. It took me about 2.5 hours for each bracket, so all up about 5 hours. During installation, I actually dropped one of the screws, the fastening screws, into the side of the glove box, and I think I spent maybe 10 minutes just trying to fish it out. But on the bright side, the brackets fit really well. First try, it was perfect. I had to wiggle it around a little bit just to get it to line up with the fascia kit. But yeah, it was good. I think overall it was a success. I was really expecting to make more parts or make more corrections to the prints, because not often you get it on the first try. And yeah, looking at it, I think I spent about 30 minutes measuring and designing the brackets, and maybe 20 minutes installing it, and about 5 hours of total print time. So all up, not too long. It's a pretty simple project. I think I really enjoyed filming the intro. I think a bit too much. And on top of that, I also produced the music in the video. So if you enjoyed it, you can check out my SoundCloud link below. But yeah, it was really fun. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.